In this video, we're taking a closer look at an incident that happened on August 2nd in Tampa, Florida, when a woman was refused entry into the Chris Brown concert due to the venue's bag policy.
All right, listen.
Listen,
Her
Can we
ticket's
find
and green
somewhere?
the first
Do we
time.
have to be right
Just my
here?
we can
bag.
step over there.
Can I come in?
We can step over there.
I would rather come in.
We can
Just
talk.
to have a conversation with you.
We can talk here. We can talk
Yeah, we
because
can
the
go
bag,
back that way, but this is
the bag
a little
violates.
claustrophobic.
Bag
Bag policy. So that's what they're saying.
The bag violates policies. We can't. You can't come any further in here. We can either talk here. Or we can go over there.
Okay, so the issue
We've seen instances where stepping into a restricted area leads to an immediate arrest, but the officer here tries to de-escalate the situation.
Ma'am, step over here.
is that there's a
Step over here.
problem
Step over here.
with
Step over here.
my bag, right?
You can step outside.
Sweetheart, it's a few
You
people.
can step outside, miss. We can talk over here. You can't come in with your bag. We don't want to trespass you and prevent you from coming to the concert, but your bag violates policy.
What's the policy?
It has to
too
be.
big. Yours
It's too big. It has to be clear.
I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help you.
Again, she could be arrested right now for going farther into the venue, but the officer tries not to do that.
Stop playing. Stop
What's so
playing.
funny?
Stop playing.
Excuse me. Hey, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay.
Your bag is too big.
She then walked toward the escalators with the officer continuing to ask her to step outside.
If you don't go back to the gate, you can be arrested for trespassing. Your bag violates policy.
Does it? What's
Yes,
the policy?
it does.
What's the policy?
Don't go to the escalator.
What's the
Ma'am, just step back to
policy?
the gate.
What's the policy?
Your bag is too.
Officer Phillips, explain to me the policy.
Your bag is too big. It needs to be clear
What
or
is it?
smaller.
Why?
For public safety and efficiency.
I don't know the exact dimensions. They make the rules. Your bag is too
Officer
big.
Phillips,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the policy? So I can understand. Because I don't have a car.
Okay.
And this holds everything. So if the issue is safety, right? That's the only thing I'm thinking of in this whole situation about the bag.
Uh-huh.
Then why don't you just check the bag?
Because they have it's a bag policy. They allow a certain size. Your bag is too big.
Yeah.
Don't try to walk.
Officer Phillips, why is your hand on me?
When you come back,
Officer Phillips, why is your hand on me?
Are not permitted on the escalator. Please hold children by the hand.
ma'am, stop.
Officer Phillips, this is your third time putting your hands on me.
Can you come back again, please?
Yeah, call somebody.
Stop.
Okay.
Stop. You're under arrest. Don't grab anything.
God. What?
Welcome to Raymond James Stadium. When stepping onto the escalator, please hold the hand and face forward.
Now, y'all messed up my makeup because y'all want to play.
It's empty.
And we're really going to have some issues.
Well, we'll explain it in just a second. I just got here,
So you
so.
don't listen. Step back over here. Don't go into the security office.
Are not permitted on the escalator. Please hold children by the hand. Escalators will be reversed.
The officer would charge her with trespassing and resisting without violence. Court records show an application for the misdemeanor intervention program was filed, but was rejected by the assistant state attorney 2 months later. A month after that, the woman's attorney of record withdrew from the case due to irreconcilable differences between her and the defendant. As of this video, the case is still ongoing.
She doesn't listen, so.
I mean, I feel safe. It's our,